Okay guys, this is the unboxing of the cargo carrier for my Mazda 3. This arrived today, UPS, and the box looks like it's all banged up, so let's go see. Okay, as you can see, this is a low budget. I think I paid for this for $63, but with a discount you only pay $49. So some assemblies required. This is the cargo lock basket, cargo basket, rooftop cargo basket. With this thing, the same one they sell it at Walmart, but they sell it, it's like $84.99 at Walmart, and it's only $63 on Amazon. I have Prime anyway, so I can get it in a couple of days. Save us a lot of money. So this is what's all pretty much comes in the box. You just have to connect all this. Connect them all with the provided hardware. Well, let's just do it. Okay, so these are the hardware instructions and some bracket that goes over here. Hardware goes through there, and these will go underneath. Simple. I hope it fits. So we just use a mallet to put this thing together. So cheap, the stickers peeling up already. "24 inches from center to center of the mounting." To the center of the mounting, in the center of the mounting here, 24 inches. Alright, so the way this mounting bracket was designed is you have to put this thing on the rack first. You put this through bolt, and then use a nut to hold the bolts. Then you mount it on top of your crossbar, and then you secure it with this bracket, and you put the self-locking nut on these bolts. This is 24 inches from center of this to the center of the other mounting. I was incorrect when I said this underneath, this 2 bolts to secure on your crossbars. Actually, that wasn't the right one. This is the right attachment. So you put that in there, like that, so secure it instead of this one.